Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and another video. This time we're gonna see who blocked you on Instagram. So if you think some people have blocked you on Instagram and you are wondering if you're actually blocked, I will give you some tips this video to help you find out. But first, let's hit that subscribe button so I can make more videos. It helps me a lot. Thank you. So I'm gonna open, you can follow me. I'm gonna open my Instagram and I will give you a demo where I block myself from another account. And with this, I will show you the key things where you need to look for. So I'm going to the top of my profile right here. This is my name, my profile. And I will search for another of my own account. So I'm going to search. I'm going here. I'm going to Dreamy Lines Art. So as you can see, I'm following this profile, but now I'm going to the top right corner on the three dots and I'm gonna block. Yes, I want to block it. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna switch to this account because I'm not seeing anymore because I've blocked it. So I've going to this account from Dreamy Lines. What you see is that if I don't go to my messages or anything else, you don't see any message that I got from someone that just blocked me. So Instagram doesn't show the people who blocked you on some kind of list. That's because of the privacy. They don't want to start fights between people. They want to make it hidden and want to make it a safer place. But if you search directly to a person's account, so I'm going to search for myself, Dreamy shots captured. You'll see I'm not in the list. So I can't find myself. There are no results found. Also you can also find me with this. Accounts. Well, you see a lot of Dreamy shots, but you don't see my account with it. So another thing I can do is I'm gonna go through my followers list and I'm going to search again on Dreamy shots, and if you can see, there are no users found, and that means that I have been blocked by this person. So if you want to know if someone blocked you, you have to search directly through their account name. That's the only solution. Unfortunately, there is no kind of some sort of master list where everyone who blocked you is stated. But if you have a suspicion, you can always search for them and you will know. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, just let me know below. Thank you.